Good morning, it's Dr. Alan Yim. In this video, I'm going to be talking about four-part writing of root position triads. For this method, we're going to be looking at how we can move the voices, the upper three voices, if the bass leaps by a third or a sixth. Now, our goals over on the right-hand side here are threefold. One, we want it to sound good. We want it to be easy to sing, so this means using common tones first, if we can, steps, or small leaps, thirds or fourths. And finally, we want it to be easy to write. So we want to have a system that makes it sort of easy if we have freedom in the upper voices. You won't be able to do this all the time because, of course, a lot of times we're writing the melody first and along with the bass. However, there will be many instances where you will be able to do this. So I think I'll try to write this in a new key, something other than C. Let's try it in G major and see what happens. So I'm going to start with a 1 chord and maybe go to a 6 chord. The first thing I'm going to do is write the chord symbols, and I recommend that you always do this as well. So the 1 chord, of course, is G, and the 6th chord is E minor. It's root position, so we only list the root above with the quality if it's a minor chord or a diminished chord. So I'll put the bass in first, G. Remember that the bass can be any distance from the other parts of the chord. And just for fun, I'll make the bass leap up a sixth. Now this is a big leap for the bass. Now I'll write the first chord. So I know I need a G, a B, and a D above. Doesn't really matter how you write this. I'm putting it here to kind of keep it on the staff. So this is an open position chord. Notice I'm doubling the root. Always double the root. So the bass and the alto sing the G, the tenor has the third of the chord, the B, and the soprano sing the fifth. To move when the bass moves by a third or a sixth, the rule is very easy. It's 2 common tones and a step. So to get from G to E minor, we are going to first find the common tones, and they are G and B. So these are our common tones, and I'll label them. So the tenors and the altos don't have to move, which means that they are not going to make a mistake. The last voice can only go in the one direction. If it goes in the wrong direction, the note it goes to will not be in the chord. So if you look at the soprano, it could go up to E or it could go down to C. Well, E obviously is in the chord, it's the root, C is not. So we're going to make the soprano go up like that, and that is our step, like this. And that's it. We're done. So if you did this properly, you did this with 2 common tones and a step, first of all, there's going to be no parallels, it's going to sound good, it's going to be easy to sing, and I hope you could recognize that this is very easy to write as well. And now I'll play it for you. Okay, so that's it. G major to E minor. The only voice that might have a little bit of a challenge is the bass. Right, singing that major sixth. But we can make it go minor third down as well, like this. That's a little bit nicer in a way because you notice now it moves in contrary motion to the soprano. Right? And as opposed to this. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one when I talk about root motion of a second and a seventh. Thanks for watching.